Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Chris, and today I'm going back to Aldi to see what new vegan products they might be carrying, and also to see what other vegan products they still might have. Because if you know Aldi, you know that they usually get a shipment of product in, and when it's gone, and they might never get it again, and they might get it later on in the year, but a lot of times they don't carry certain products year round. So we're gonna go do that now. All right, here I am at my local Aldi. I'm lucky because I have a few of them to choose from. Taquitos, chili lime. I've never heard of these before. I've never had them, and I don't know if they're good or not, but here they are. They seem to be vegan. The only question I have is the sugar. Is it processed through bone char or not? Some of you might not have a problem with it. Some of you may. I have a whole video on vegan sugar. I will link it below, but this is an option for some of you. They have these Benton's chocolate chip cookies. These are vegan, and the sugar is not processed through bone char, if that was a thing for you. They do say may contain milk, eggs, tree nuts, and that's only because they're processed in the same facility as other products, but these are vegan. So are these chewy chocolate chip. Also, the sugar is not processed through bone char. Now these are new. These are cauliflower crackers. This is cheddar flavor. They're gluten-free, and it says vegan right there on the package. These are new, so I've never had these before, and there's the ingredients right there. They also have these sea salt cauliflower crackers, labeled vegan, gluten-free. Now, I'm not sure about this, but if you look at these ones right next to them, they look exactly the same, but they don't say vegan on it, and it says may contain milk. Now, I'm not sure why they did this. The ingredients seem to be vegan. It does say may contain milk, so I'm guessing they are processed in a different facility within the same area, the same city. I plan on reaching out to them and trying to get some clarification on that. Here's some Clancys potato chips. These are also vegan, and they're $1.29. They have tortilla chips for $1.99. Simply Nature is their company that makes a lot of the vegan products, and some pretty simple ingredients there. Also may contain milk. That doesn't mean it has milk in it. That just means it's made in the same facility. But yes, these are vegan, and these are some pretty simple ingredients right here. $1.99 for these black or white chips. Here we have some sea salt and pepper crackers. The only thing I would wonder here is the sugar. Is it or is it not processed through bone char? Again, some of you don't really worry about that. But these are $1.49, which isn't a bad price, and they have several flavors. Be great to grab yourself some vegan cheese with these crackers, put them out at a party or something like that. We have the rosemary ones, and there's the ingredients right there. If you guys want to pause it, go ahead. And that's a pretty good price. These coconut cashew crisps. They say vegan right there on the package. There's no question there. And they also have the grain-free cookie bites. Again, I like it when it says vegan right on the package because it saves you a lot of time. And $2.99 for those. Some more cookie bites, double chocolate chip, if you guys want that chocolatey chocolate. And some of the chocolate chip. All vegan, labeled right on the package. And these baked pea, green pea crisps, gluten-free. And there's the ingredients right there. Again, these would be made in the same facility as other products that aren't vegan. Not a bad price if you're looking for some snacks like that. We got the veggie straws by the Clancys brand. These are indeed non-GMO and also certified gluten-free. And it says vegan right there on the package. We have sweet potato chips with sea salt, low sodium. And these got pretty simple ingredients right there. And they're $2.49 for a bag of those. We have the Simply Natured brown rice crackers. It says gluten-free and vegan right there on the front of the box, which I like. And these are $1.99, not bad. And then we have the tomato basil brown rice crackers. Also says vegan right there on the front of the box. And these are also gluten-free. And then I found these pretzels filled with peanut butter by Clancys. Here's the ingredients. They are vegan, and they're $4.29 for a bag. And then next to those, we have the Simply Nature fruit strips. These are the raspberry ones. These are vegan for $4.99. And next to those, I found the mixed berry ones for a little bit cheaper at $3.49. And then there's some poppy seed dressing that was vegan. There's the nutrition facts, and there's the ingredients. Organic sugar is not processed through bone char. And these peanut butter I didn't really like these. I tried these before. These aren't new, but they do have them. Maybe you guys would like them. The butternut squash crackers. The last one with the cauliflower ones. Now we have the butternut squash ones. The sea salt. It says vegan right there on the package. And also the cinnamon and sugar. Now I found these salt and pepper cashews. Little packs of cashews over here. And here's the ingredients right there. Flaxseed corn tortilla chips. So if you're looking for some more chips, they got them. These are vegan, also made in the same facility, but yet vegan. $2.19 for a bag. Not bad, considering at other stores chips are $3 to $4 a bag. So the black beans. And now Loma Linda, all of their products are vegan. I'm surprised to see them here at Aldi. They were actually a vegan company, well, all plant-based, all vegan products for over 110 years. So before vegan was a term coined in 1944, Loma Linda was making vegan products. So they have the pad thai, the chipotle bowl, and the taco filling for $2.49 a pack. And this is the bada bean, bada boom. It says vegan in big letters right there at the bottom. I like that. And they have 2 different flavors here, $3.49 for a package. And then over here, these are not new, but these are, they have them, the chicken nuggets, the vegan chicken nuggets. And it says vegan right there in the top left-hand corner. You got to be careful because some of their products aren't vegan and they look like they're in the same bag. These are vegan. These are the chicken strips and also the beefless crumbles. So you can make all kinds of things with those. And then these Bavarian soft pretzels, I looked into those, and these are also vegan. There's the ingredients, only contains wheat and soy, product of Germany, and $3.49 for a box of those. And then, of course, they still have the coconut milk, the soy milk, their almond milk. These aren't anything new, but I just wanted to showcase that they have it. One-stop shop. And then the non-dairy Chobani Yogurt. So this is their Chobani's vegan yogurt. They have the vanilla flavor right there. And that was $1.69. And then they did have the Just Egg. So this is new here. They never carried it before, but Just Egg is now there. And it's $6.99 for a bottle, which is pretty much overpriced, but still cheaper than a lot of other places sell it. This is the kombucha, if you guys are into kombucha. And they also have this Hope Avocado Ranch Dip. This is a cashew and almond dip. It's $3.99, I believe it is. And they had 3 different flavors that I saw. Here's a ranch. And there's some of the ingredients and nutrition facts. And they also have this chocolate dessert hummus, chocolate mint. It says vegan right there on the package, gluten-free, and it is $3.49. These are not new, but these are the jumbo hot dogs, say vegan, and they're only, it's $1 off right there. So you're getting these for only $1.89, which is it's a steal in the vegan world. These are organic black bean penne. These have a ton of protein. They're gluten-free, and there's only one ingredient, organic black beans. And they also have the red lentil rotini, 22 grams of protein per serving, gluten-free, and the only ingredient, organic red lentils. And they're going to be $3.69 each. Well, there you have it. Aldi definitely had a bunch of new vegan products, and they also have a bunch of older vegan products. So like I said earlier in this video, if you saw something that you really think you might like, or something that you know you like, you might want to get down there sooner rather than later, because again, when they sell out of these products, sometimes they don't get them back in, and sometimes it's a while before they get them back in. So every Aldi is going to be different. Some of them will sell out faster than others, and so on and so forth. Another part of the store that I didn't feature in this video, that I have featured in many other Aldi videos, was their produce department. So if you're not looking for any of that processed food and you want some nice vegan whole foods, they have a pretty nice produce department, and it's always changing, and usually you can get some pretty good deals. I actually grabbed some blueberries and also some potatoes today. So they got you covered there. If you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. It helps me out. And you can always subscribe if you want to get more notifications. You hit the little bell. And if you want to support my channel directly, you can always sign up for my Patreon account, which I'll link below. Or you can purchase one of my Vegan Zombie beanies I have here. And I also have hoodies and aprons and all kinds of stuff. I will link that below. So as always, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.